Introducing Jorunna funebris, a common species of sea slug, also referred to as the dotted nudibranch. There are over 20 species of nudibranch in the Jorunna genus, and many are jovially referred to as sea bunnies for their cute and fuzzy appearance. These sea slugs are gastropod mollusks, similar to a snail, but nudibranch are completely shellless. Jorunna funebris typically grow between 1 and 7 centimeters, and they have a fleshy, oval-shaped body, which is white and covered with black circular markings. If you look closely, these markings are made up of tiny raised bristles called caryophyllidia. In fact, their entire body is covered with caryophyllidia, giving them a fuzzy appearance. To navigate the sea, they lead with a pair of rhinophores, which are sensory organs found on the heads of sea slugs, used for distance chemoreception and rheoreception. Rhinophores are black with a translucent stalk, and they detect chemicals dissolved in the water, which helps to keep these sea bunnies close to a reliable food source and mating partners. To stop predatory fish from biting, rhinophores are retractable in 2 phases. First, the rhinophore is compressed under serotonergic regulation, and the muscles at the base of the rhinophore contract, retracting the rhinophore into a pocket beneath the skin. Their fluffy bunny tail is actually made up of 6 branched gills, forming a complete circle. These gills are capable of exchanging gases in the water, allowing the slugs to breathe. It is believed that these slugs evolved to lose their shells over time, which despite providing protection can also be a very heavy burden to carry for the slug. In place of a shell, nudibranch developed other tools for protection, such as feeding on toxic sponges and incorporating those toxins as defense mechanisms. Jorunna funebris often prey on giant barrel sponges in the genus Zestospongia. They are also known to commonly feed on blue sponges and will often lay their egg masses here. Jorunna funebris are only one of thousands of identified nudibranch species, which are a favorite among divers and underwater photographers for their vibrant colors and ornamental bodies. The diversity of nudibranch in an area is a good indicator of the overall reef diversity. If you are interested in learning more about nudibranch species, consider enrolling in an ecological monitoring program and becoming a citizen scientist. Join us here where we continue to study and discover nudibranch species.